police so they can help find you. They wanted to help find you.
So what happened? What happened to the elevator?
I was down here and I was very sad.
Yeah.
Did you push all the buttons?
No.
The door didn't open?
No, I mean two buttons.
The call button? And then the lady answered?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
And then she got you?
No.
No? Who opened the door?
They had to do.
Oh, the other girl opened the door to the elevator?
It was stuck if her didn't open it.
It was stuck, huh? Now,
Guys, up.
yes. Your brother was stuck in an elevator.
I got it shut. Okay? No, that doctor did. What's this song?